Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my Lego set, and I had a couple, but some of them I've had a few more, but some of them might have got destroyed, and some of these are missing some pieces. So let's get into it. The first one is this is my newest one. I still have the box and the stickers. So there's a sticker thing, and it is this Thor one. So it's from Avengers Infinity War. And I'll show you all the features. So this thing can come down like that, and there's Rocket, and in the back, and there's two ways to open it. You can open it from this way too. Just harder to do it with one hand. And there's Groot in the back. And then Thor's on top with his hammer thing. And then there's this, and this thing moves, and you can push that out with Rocket's gun and Thor's hammer. The second one that I have is this farming combine. It used to come with a semi-truck, but that was one of the things that got broken. So now I'm going to show you the features. So this thing can, if you take this out, you can move it around and stuff, like that. And then there's the guy in there. And that's it. I really shouldn't need the semi-truck, but if I had it. The third one is Captain Marvel's ship. Actually, I've never seen the movie, but I decided to get it because it looked pretty cool. So, first, you've got this little hatch thing that can flip down, and there's the inside of the ship. There's the inside, and then you can close that up. I put Captain Marvel in. There's Nick Fury in there, and you can open that up. Then it's got these guns that you can fire by pushing on the back. I'm not going to do that because they shoot far, and they're kind of hard to get in with one hand. Now the fourth one, the last one, is this really big one. It was like a Lego fire set. So it's got this jet ski with a little gun on top. If you push that down, it'll shoot out, but like I said, I'm not going to do it because it goes far and it's hard to do it with one hand. Then there's something really cool. That's kind of cool. So there's a garage with this truck. The truck can come out, and it can, if you push this button, did the batteries die? Alright, so it makes this noises and it lights up. You can push the button again, and it's got on each side a little storage thing that holds those. Then on the back, it's got that rope, and then it's got that axe, and no driver. So then you can park it into that garage, and there's something really cool. Alright, if you put your finger in there, something crazy cool is gonna happen. So the garage door closes, just like that. Oop, the car's blocking it. Oh wait. Oh there. Got it. So yeah, that thing can go down. Yeah. Oh, and it's on the side. It's got that. And then it's got this drone. That's cool. And it's got like a little camera, news camera. And it's got like these offices, popcorn, a TV, and that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.